Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a very special one. It's our 100 subscriber special. Today we're comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Sony FX3 that I have right here. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's get started with the first shot. So here, the main difference is bokeh blur along with a little bit of the colors, and I'm by no means a colorist, so I couldn't really do much about that, but I tried my best. It's by no means a fair comparison, but if you slap a tilt shift effect up there, boom. Doesn't look too far apart. Also, the angle of the shot is a little bit different because I tilted it differently, so that's partially my thought. On to the next shot. In this shot, the main difference again is the shallow depth of field, but the FX3 footage is shaking a little bit, while the iPhone footage is very minimally shaking. That's because the iPhone, light as it is easy to keep steady, rather than the FX3, which can be heavy depending on how much you rig it up. The wind was blowing a little in the iPhone shot, but here, the difference pretty much the same as last time. Also, since the bokeh is so intense on the FX3, some color detail is lost in the background, which depending on what look you're going for, you might or might not want. If you slow it down, the wind blowing is much more subtle. I'm using optical flow here, but it helps you get a sense of what stuff would look like if it was shaking only subtly. That was a great shoot. That mini film where we constantly switched between the FX3 and the iPhone was really great. And the split screen comparison was very informative, and it showed how the iPhone footage has been improving over the years and how you can push Apolog to the next level. Thanks for watching.